Meaning of grunge rock.
Grunge rock.
Grunge rock.
Grunge rock.
Grunge rock. Grunge rock refers to a subgenre of alternative rock that emerged in Seattle, Washington in the mid-1980s. It is characterized by its heavy, distorted guitar sound, often accompanied by abrasive and angsty lyrics that touch on themes of social alienation, apathy, and disillusionment. Grunge bands like Nirvana, Pearl Jam, and Soundgarden achieved mainstream success in the early 1990s, and helped define the sound of an entire generation. Grunge's popularity waned by the end of the decade, but its influence can still be heard in modern rock music.